All right, making a soup today with cumin, yellow split peas or chana dal, and coconut milk. It's delicious. Welcome back to howtocookgreatfood.com. Okay, so once you get your peas, chana or split yellow peas cooked, everything else is really simple. It's really easy to make this. So I've got like 4 cups there of the split peas or chana dal. Potatoes, kept a bit of the skin on, which I don't mind. Onion, carrots, celery, 2 teaspoons of turmeric, a tablespoon of cumin powder, maybe 2 tablespoons of garlic ginger paste there, which is a 50-50 mix of garlic and ginger, and a tablespoon of cumin seeds. This is so easy. We're going to start this off with some oil, add some salt, some pepper, and some coconut milk. Really, really easy and really delicious. So what you're going to need is a large pot, as I've got here, and I've got some oil in there. I'm using a sunflower oil. This is so easy now. So in go the cumin seeds. Just a few seconds, let them do their thing in that oil. That's going to infuse the oil, give it a lovely flavour. And then, here we go, you ready? We're going to put in that celery, the onion. And it doesn't matter how you chop this because we're going to liquidize it. The carrot and the potato, along with salt and some black pepper. We're on quite a high heat. We're going to go for about 4 minutes just to kind of get this going. Then we're going to add a few more ingredients. 3 to 4 minutes, just bringing it together. Now we're going to get in our cooked chana dal or yellow split peas, whatever you call that. There's also pigeon peas and other names for these things. Some of them are slightly different, you know, a little bit bigger, a little bit smaller. Now what you do with these guys is you need to wash them into some cold water a few times. And then what I do is I soak them for a couple of hours and then cook them away until they're, you know, nice and soft. They take quite a while. Now we're going to get in the garlic ginger paste. If you don't have garlic ginger paste, you can just chop some garlic and ginger into this. We're going to add the turmeric, just going to give it a nice little colour. And the big flavour here is the tablespoon of cumin powder. Again, we're going to go for about another 4 minutes or so, just kind of bringing it all together. Then we can move on. So easy, so delicious this one, really, and good for you. Okay, it's coming together nicely. All our flavours are in. Now I'm going to add water. You can add a vegetable stock or something if you wanted. Enough just to cover it there. High heat. Cook this away now for about 15, 16 minutes. We want everything to get really nice and soft, baby food-esque. Lid on, give it a stir every now and then. Okay, off goes the heat, off comes the lid. Let me let a load of steam out of there. And as you can see, that's really reduced down the water. And check out the vegetables now, look super soft. What we're gonna do, add coconut milk now. There's 400 ml there. Also, we've got some fresh cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that. We're gonna give that a mix. And then what we're gonna do is I'm gonna liquidize this into a beautiful, smooth, lovely soup. Look at that, that is super thick. Thin it out if you want by adding some more stock or water or coconut milk, but for me, that is just perfect. What I'm gonna do, I just tasted it and it does need a little bit more salt. So I go there, little mix, I'll see you at the table. Okay, there you go. Just really beautiful, nice and smooth. Like I say, get it as thick and thin as you like. I like it quite thick. It's a wonderful little thing, I think there. Vegan, vegetarian, healthy, beautiful, tasty. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, please. Do give us a thumbs up. It helps us out a great deal. Check out all the social media, Facebook, blah, 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 all that stuff. I've been told to say that. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.